The impact of cryptocurrency on traditional banking models. Welcome back to Real Crypto Guy. Today, we are diving into an incredibly fascinating topic, the impact of cryptocurrency on traditional banking models. As the world continues to evolve, the way we think about money and banking is changing rapidly. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have emerged as significant players in the financial landscape, challenging the very foundations of traditional banking. So, let's explore how these digital currencies are reshaping our understanding of banking and finance. To start, let's consider what traditional banking has looked like for decades. Banks have served as intermediaries, facilitating transactions, holding deposits, and providing loans. They have operated within a regulated framework, ensuring the safety and security of our funds. However, cryptocurrencies are bringing a new paradigm to this age-old system. One of the most significant impacts of cryptocurrency is the decentralization of finance. Unlike traditional banks, which are centralized institutions, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks. This means that transactions can occur directly between users without the need for a middleman. This shift not only reduces transaction costs but also increases transaction speed, making financial exchanges more efficient. Moreover, cryptocurrencies provide a level of accessibility that traditional banking often lacks. Many people around the world remain unbanked, unable to access basic financial services. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection. This democratization of finance opens up opportunities for individuals in underserved communities, allowing them to participate in the global economy. Another key aspect to consider is the transparency that cryptocurrencies offer. Blockchain technology, which underpins most cryptocurrencies, is inherently transparent and immutable. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, providing a level of accountability that traditional banks sometimes struggle to maintain. This transparency can help reduce fraud and increase trust among users, which is essential in any financial system. However, the rise of cryptocurrency also poses challenges for traditional banks. As more people turn to digital currencies, banks may face decreased demand for traditional banking services. This could lead to a shift in how banks operate, potentially forcing them to adapt to new technologies and customer preferences. Some banks are already exploring ways to integrate blockchain technology into their operations, recognizing that change is necessary to remain competitive. Additionally, regulatory challenges are on the horizon. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies effectively. This can create uncertainty for both consumers and banks as they navigate this evolving landscape. While regulation is essential for protecting consumers, it must also encourage innovation and not stifle the growth of the cryptocurrency market. As we look to the future, it's clear that cryptocurrency is not just a passing trend. It is reshaping the financial world in profound ways. Traditional banks will need to adapt to this new reality, embracing technology and finding ways to coexist with digital currencies. This could lead to a more integrated financial ecosystem, where both traditional banking and cryptocurrencies play vital roles. In conclusion, the impact of cryptocurrency on traditional banking models is significant and multifaceted. From decentralization and accessibility to transparency and regulatory challenges, the rise of digital currencies is prompting a reevaluation of how we think about money. As we continue to witness these changes unfold, it will be exciting to see how both consumers and financial institutions adapt. Thank you for joining us today on Real Crypto Guy. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on cryptocurrency and its impact on our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of crypto.